Hey guys, welcome back to Next Gen Blogger, and in this video I want to show you how you can create a freeze frame, slow motion and fast forward effect in VSDC Free Video Editor. Now previously we have seen these effects individually, but today I will combine all these three effects and create something new out of it in VSDC Video Editor. So without further delay, let's get started. And as you can see, I've already imported my demo video in the editor, and let me just quickly play this video for you. And what I intend to do is I intend to split my video into two parts, and on the first part I will apply the slow motion effect. On the second part I will apply the fast forward effect, and in the middle between those two videos I will freeze my frame for a couple of seconds. So that is the plan. So let's get started. Now first of all, let me just place my cursor at somewhere around, let's say, 3 seconds, and I intend to split my video into two parts right at this position. So I've placed my cursor at 3 seconds. Now click on this option right here, which is split into parts. Now the moment you click on this option, your video will be split into two parts. So let me just pull down the first part below so that the difference is clearly visible. And I want to apply the slow motion effect on the first part of the video. So click on the first part of the video and look inside the video object settings, which is present inside the properties window. And we're interested in this option called speed, which is currently set to 100%. So since I am applying the slow motion effect, so let me just decrease the speed from 100 to 50. And since I decreased the speed from 100 to 50, the duration of the first part of my video got increased from 3 seconds to 6 seconds. So let me just adjust the second part of my video accordingly. And now I want to apply the fast forward effect on the second part of my video. So click on the second part of the video and again look inside the video object settings, which is present inside the properties window. And we are again interested in this option called speed, which is set to 100%. Now since I am applying the fast forward effect, I will increase the speed from 100 to 200 right here and press enter on the keyboard. And as you can see, since I increased the speed from 100 to 200, the duration of the second part of my video got decreased. So this is how it works. If you decrease the speed, the duration of your video increases, and if you increase the speed, the duration of your video decreases. And let me just now quickly play the whole video for you. So this is the first part of my video playing in slow motion, and this is the second part playing in the fast forward mode. Perfect. Now one final thing which is left to be done is to freeze the frame for a couple of seconds in the middle of both these two videos. So let me just now place my cursor at this particular position in the timeline, which is 5 seconds 966 milliseconds. And the reason I've placed my cursor at this position is because it is literally the end of my first video. So the duration of my first video is 6 seconds, and 5 seconds 966 millisecond is just before my video is going to end. And what I would do now is, after I've placed my cursor at 5 seconds 966 milliseconds, click on your first video, click on the first part of your video, and then go to this option, which is more tools, and select this option, which is create snapshot. Now the moment you click on create snapshot, inside the resources window you will see this snapshot appear. So drag and drop this snapshot on top of your screen like this, and in the editor you will see the image appear. So adjust your second video accordingly like this, and let me just see the duration of my image. So the duration of my image is 2 seconds 566 milliseconds. So let me just decrease it to an absolute value of 2 seconds and press enter on the keyboard, and again adjust the second part of your video accordingly. Perfect. So now let me just play the whole video for you from the start once again. So this is the first part of my video playing in slow motion, and that's it. So here I have freezed the frame for 2 seconds, and after 2 seconds the video plays in fast forward mode. So this is a really popular technique used by a lot of video editors. I have seen this especially while watching Discovery Channel, where what happens is they play the first part in slow motion and they kind of freeze the frame for a couple of seconds where they talk something, and then they play the video once again. And this is how you can do this in VSDC Free Video Editor. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will again see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.